If you want to cancel your Threads subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile section, often represented by a gear icon or the word settings. Step 3. Find subscription options. Look for a section labeled subscriptions or billing. This is where you can manage your subscription details. Step 4. Select cancel subscription. Once in the subscription options, locate the option to cancel your subscription. Click on it and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Verify cancellation. After cancelling, check for a confirmation message or email to ensure your subscription has been successfully cancelled. Keep this confirmation for your records. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Threads subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support.